Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get the shiny base card pack in Plants vs. Brainrot. I don't know why the board is like this, but basically, once you've opened the central island, you can submit for Brainrots. It changes every single day. So the first one I need to submit is Trippy Troppy. Place that there, and then I don't know how to pronounce this. Let's just submit that, and then I'll need Ballerina and then Bombini for the last one. Let's just submit this one. And then as you can see, I've completed my daily. Hopefully I get the shiny base card pack. Let's go to all and type in card. So this is the shiny card. Just press on it and you're able then to open it. Okay, whirlwind, another whirlwind, batter up. Ooh, okay. Pumpkins have a 15% chance to attack 1% time. Okay, I don't really use pumpkins anyways. Am I able to merge one? Yes, I am. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.